I'm a small business owner here in town. I also work for University of Laverne, which we have a small business arm.
Hi, my name is Genesis, and here I'm at the 2020 Matrix Entrepreneur 2020 Teen Biz event. And here we have a lot of teen businesses.
My name is Brennan Tiza. I'm one of the instructors at the Matrix Entrepreneur Academy. I'm currently the head instructor for one of the workshops.
In the Matrix Academy, we've got sales, marketing,
new opportunities, especially right at the beginning of COVID, and I saw Matrix and I tried to look it up online.